Hi, I'm Katie from Kimberbell, and today I'm going to show you how to add the confetti to your Popsicles block from the July Mini Quilt. There are a couple of different ways that you can do this, and the ways that I'm going to show you are just going to make it a little bit easier. Right here in front of me, I have my block stitched all the way to step 13. In the instructions, this is where I would add confetti. So I'm going to show you what to do now that you have it stitched down. If you wanted to make it a little bit easier, you could place your confetti just in the center of your popsicles before you place the vinyl and stitch it down. But if you've stitched it down already and now you need to add your confetti, this is just a little helpful trick to make it easier. You're going to want to take a pencil or a point turner to help get your confetti down all the way to the bottom of the popsicle. And I will usually just take a piece of scrap paper. You could use a post-it note, a scrap from the newspaper, just any regular paper. I've just got some lined notebook paper, and I'm just going to fold it here and make myself a small funnel that is going to fit inside the top of this popsicle block. All right, I've got my funnel. I'm going to slide that under my vinyl. You want to make sure it's long enough that it does go to it goes past the edge of your vinyl. Otherwise, you won't really be able to reach it. And I will take the confetti, and you can put however much or as little of this confetti in your popsicles as you want. I'm going to put a good amount because I want to still see my popsicle behind the vinyl. I'll just put that on my paper. And I'll tip up my hoop and then use my pencil or your point turner to get that inside the vinyl. Oops. If you are using a pencil, just be careful that you don't draw on your fabric or a pen. And that will just go in the block there. And you can do a little at a time, you can do a lot. And I have found it's a little bit easier if you just add bit by bit, so you're not doing a whole bunch at once. So let's see. Got that there. Put that in. And I'm going to make sure that it is past this past this stitch point. If it's above that, it's not going to make it into your popsicle, and there will be confetti all over your block. It's not too bad. It's pretty easy to clean up. Just use a lint roller if you get it everywhere like I just did. Once you have the amount in there that you want, I'm just going to shake that out. I'm going to use my pencil here or your point turner. You can just get that all the way in your popsicle. And once your block is complete and sewn together, you've trimmed your vinyl, you can also take that and adjust that confetti however you want. It's pretty easy to shake out and move and display however you like. You'll repeat that for all 3 popsicles. You'll tape your vinyl down and stitch your final step 14, and you have just completed your July Mini Quilt block. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope that you enjoy making your July Mini Quilts.